gentlemen, and now moving on from innovation to appreciation, it's time to recognize one of the key drivers behind the digital cinema revolution in India and beyond. Cube has always been passionate about bringing the best audiovisual solutions to everyone, and most importantly, to the ever so enthusiastic Indian exhibitors. Epic was a step to improve the experience for the patrons. And when Dolby introduced Dolby Vision, we saw possibility of bringing this fabulous experience to India. We are happy to collaborate with Dolby to bring this sensational cinematic experience to our Indian audiences, and happy to announce that for the first time, Cube will partner with Dolby to deploy 10 Dolby Vision systems over a period of the next 3 years, and will make this outstanding experience to all the masses. The next is Cube Spotlight. Epic is a premium large format concept launched by Cube Cinema. Every aspect of the Epic Cinema, from its stadium seating and viewing angles to its acoustics and lighting, is designed to enhance the movie experience and ensure that every seat is a perfect seat. The Epic premium large format could be the key to revenue growth in cinemas as technology continues to change the movie-going experience. With higher, brighter, deeper contrast and richer colors, Epic Luxon, Cube's HDR cinema solutions ensures an uncompromised viewing experience on the biggest screens. Today here at the Big Cine Expo, we would like to invite the new partners for this wonderful Epic project to exchange the token of agreement. So ladies and gentlemen, you're just about to witness a very important and an iconic moment on this stage. May I please invite Mr. Harsh Rohatgi, CEO Cube Cinema, to kindly join us on stage to present these agreements to our partners. As we have our partners on stage, I would request them all to kindly stay back for a group photo opportunity towards the end. So firstly, I would like to take this moment to call Mr. Murali Krishnan, Ashirvad Cineplex, Perumbavoor. On his behalf, may I please invite Abhilash from Cube to kindly receive the agreement. Next, may I please invite Mr. Srinivasan and Raja Mannar from Eminence Cinema, E-Road, to kindly join us on stage. Mr. Nirav Panchamia, E-Square, Pune, and Mr. Anmol Kashmiri. Please join us on stage. Next, I would like to invite Dr. Bhaskar, Grand Cinema, Hosur. Mr. Rajamannar, Kantaswamy Art Center, Udumalai. Miss Harshini, Karpagam Cinemas, Coimbatore. Today, this is such a wonderful moment where we're announcing the Epic Luxon project in front of all of you seated here today. And this is what you're witnessing, ladies and gentlemen, our partners receiving their agreements with us on stage. Next, may I please call Mr. Srinivasan from S Pictures, Ranipet. Next, I would like to invite Mr. Rajashekar, Vishal Cineplex, Bella Koil. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I request everyone to please come forwards. I request all our partners on the stage to please come forward for a group photo opportunity. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen, and we thank our partners as they embark on this new journey of Epic and Epic Luxon. This is going to be incredible indeed.
Good evening, everyone. I just wanted to say a few words. Us at Cube have always tried to see how we can enhance the experience of movie-going. Whether it started with the digital cinema, before that even digital sound, digital editing. And Epic was something that we were planning on for a long time, and we finally got to the first property in 2019, which had a great response. I think it brings back, certainly enhances the joy of going to the cinemas. And it is with a great amount of delight and joy that I want to thank all our partners who are on stage today, who have decided to go with Epic the brand, and I really hope it leads to a far better experience for all their guests. So thank you very much.